If you want to add a slider on your Squarespace website, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to create a clean, professional image slider that fits beautifully into your page layout. Whether you want to showcase products, portfolio images, testimonials, or featured content, this is a simple way to make your site look more dynamic and engaging. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Squarespace website page and click Edit in the top left corner. This takes you into the page editor where you can make changes to the layout and add new content blocks. Once you're in edit mode, scroll to the spot where you want your slider to appear. This is important because the slider will be added exactly where your cursor is placed, so take a moment to choose the right section of the page. Now click Add Section. Squarespace will bring up a library of section layouts you can use. On the left-hand sidebar menu, click the Images tab. This is where you'll find visual section styles that are designed for displaying photos and media. Next, look for a section card preset that features an image gallery. You'll usually notice this by the small icon in the top right corner of the template card. Once you find the right option, click it to add it to your page. After the section is inserted, hover your mouse over the new section and click the Edit Section button, which is the pencil icon in the top right corner. This opens the configuration window for the gallery. Here's where you can turn the gallery into a slider. In the Gallery Type dropdown, select Slideshow, Full. This setting changes the layout from a static gallery into a full slider-style display. Now you can customize how the slider behaves. If you want the slides to move automatically, turn Autoplay on. This is great for drawing attention and creating a more interactive feel without requiring visitors to click anything. Next, adjust the slide duration setting. For example, you might set it to 0 seconds per slide if you want each image to stay visible long enough before transitioning. If you want a faster or slower pace, just move the slider until it feels right for your content. Then, choose your controls. You can display arrows, dots, or both, depending on how you want people to navigate the slider. Arrows are helpful for clear manual navigation, while dots give users a quick visual indicator of how many slides there are. If you want a cleaner look, you can keep the controls minimal. If you want a more interactive experience, turn them on. As you make these changes, preview the section so you can see how the slider looks on your live page. This helps you confirm that the images crop well, the transitions feel smooth, and the controls are easy to use. If anything looks off, you can go back into the settings and fine-tune the layout until it matches your design. Once you're happy with it, save your changes and exit the editor. And that's it, you've just added a slider on your Squarespace website. It's a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference in how polished and professional your site feels. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.